Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us a thumbs up. Today we're going to be looking at a 2024 Primetime Lacrosse LS, model number 3501 BH. So, this is actually a new floor plan, right?
Yes, I think for a long time Lacrosse only had two.
Yeah.
So now they've got two more.
So the length on this Lacrosse is 39 feet. The dry weight is 9,523 pounds. And that hitch weight is 1,240. Woo.
Yeah, you are going to need a pretty well-equipped truck for this one because it's long and it's a little bit heavy. But let's go ahead and start right over here and show you what we've got here. This is going to be your water connections, cable, satellite's going to be in here, your battery disconnect, and you are going to have an outside shower in here.
Wow.
Coming right on down, you've got some outside storage with a motion sensor light that is extremely nice.
Wow.
Here is one of your dump areas. Yes, more than one. And your other dump area is going to be there. Maybe a little harder to get to, but
And you're prepped.
yes.
For your slide
All of them
toppers.
are prepped for slide toppers. Let's go right on around. So yes, you're seeing that correctly. There are 3 slides on this side. Spare and spare covers already back here. Prepped for a camera. And so you do have another slide over here. Now your little outside area, you actually have 2 fridges.
Mountain Dew and Diet Mountain Dew.
Yes, and there's a little pull-out tray under this one. Let's see
Okay.
how that's going to work. So
Hey, that's pretty cool.
I guess you could probably set a griddle on that.
I believe
Quick
mine
Connect's
would.
going to be right under there.
yeah.
And you'll see that this does have power stabilizers. So, but that's an interesting. I don't know that I've seen one with just 2 fridges. And there's an extra plug-in out here too. So
Maybe one's for Dad's medicine.
could be for something. This is going to be your other slide here on the camp side. You've got 2 power awnings, LED light strips, 10 and 11.
Yeah.
Never can remember those sizes. And a little bit of storage right up here with some more lighting. All right.
I might call this
So-
one mega bunkhouse here.
It's a very good size. I do like these have nice wide steps on these. I do think this is actually wider than some models use. So we'll go in here, give you a quick first look in here.
Wow.
Here. There's something that we have pointed out, I think in a previous video. The 24 models on these Lacrosse have gone to the gray cabinets. 23, they were a white or a creamy color. So that's something a little bit new. But hey, I'm sitting here looking at the entertainment center, so we'll just start with it.
Have a seat then.
Huge TV up there. Soundbar is already in place. Very good storage down below it. And there's a pretty good open space under the bottom. You can stash your shoes under there. Or our son would have a gaming system slid under there, but he's weird too.
And you got USB right here on the side.
Moving on. That is a big microwave.
Whew, huge.
Yeah, that is like a residential size. This is going to have the split cooktop and oven, so you got a 3-burner cooktop and an oven. We actually have that set up in ours and love it. Or is this going to be an electric?
This is going to be the electric oven. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so that's going to be new.
Yep.
We do have this set up, but ours is not an electric oven, so
That's the new
That's something new. We have not seen that before. All right. In the island, you're going to have a plug-in here. This is going to have solid surface. You got a drawer. Storage down here. Plenty of room for a garbage can or over here, wherever you want it. Big stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. It does have an extension here, a little bar extension that will, it will go down if you don't need it.
Well, I'm trying to figure it out. There it goes.
Yeah. It almost looks like it needs a bar stool. So
yeah,
I bet you could
put bar stools right there.
Slide a couple of bar stools up under it. This is going to have heating in the floor. This does have the whisper quiet air up there. So you're not going to have that big giant square unit hanging down. Now this is your front slide. So you're going to have a sofa here. This is one of the pull-out sofas that's going to have additional sleeping. You've got a freestanding table and chairs. Nice big windows. This is going to overlook your campsite, so you're going to have some excellent views.
We never did get to
I didn't get to the refrigerator. I'm sorry. I got distracted by the slide.
Squirrel.
I know. Something shiny. So, got the big French style fridge with a freezer at the bottom. And you have a coffee nook. I guess you could call this your coffee nook over here if that's what you want it to be. Plug in right there. Big storage area. Shelves down below. Very nice. I guess, you could put your crock pots over here or your air fryers or your Instapot or whatever you need out of the way. Okay, now that I've rambled about this space long enough, let's move into the bunk room.
Oh my dear goodness.
Very nice bunk room. This one does clip up. And this one is in place.
Okay,
this. Yeah, you have open storage under it. So, lots of storage. Now, this side, you've got the double over double. These are going to be permanent. 2 big drawers. Wow. And your ladder is already in place. And there's no AC in here, but lots of vents.
Yes.
So, yeah. I bet you'll be able to freeze people out.
Is that no, that's a USB.
And that's a USB. I'm sure you're able to put a TV somewhere in here. We're just not sure where.
I don't think they got a hookup in here, babe.
Well, it may not.
I don't think it does.
Okay, don't tell your kids that they can't have a TV in here. They'll never know the difference. Anyway.
Okay.
Yes, they will. Ours would. All right, let's go on down to the other end of this beautiful travel trailer. It's just, their finishes are just really pretty. You are going to have a bathroom with dual entries. This has a corner shower. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so the skylight's in a little bit of an odd place.
Yeah.
But if you're no more than 6'2" or so, you shouldn't have any issues at all. We do have a medicine cabinet with a mirror. Nice sink with some good counter space around it. Little storage underneath it. Your foot flush toilet's angled over here, so you got lots of leg room. And you're going to have some storage up above it. And what's on the other side of this?
It's a blank. There's something in there behind that.
Cover it. Okay.
It's a little access panel.
You are going to have a fan right up here. Plug-ins, tank controls, and a door to shut that off. So I'm going to let him hang out there. I'll come down here. Your controls are here in the hall. Moving into the bedroom. Now these Lacrosse have got some awesome front bedrooms. Yeah. This is going to have a king-size bed. It is on a slide. Big storage underneath it. And I love the way they do this front windshield. You have a seating area. You've got big hanging on both sides.
Yeah.
There is a shelf across the top up there. Again, your whisper quiet air in here. You do have storage underneath.
Access.
Yes, goes out to the outside well, outside storage. Power and USB. Open storage on both sides underneath your hanging there. Wow. Heating is in the floor.
Oh, did you open these yet?
Not yet. At the foot of the bed, you've got your dresser area. So you have drawers down there. Another fireplace. I love the fireplace. More drawers. Shelving up here. I'm looking for a place to put a TV. Is it on the side?
Here's your hookups are over here.
Okay, so
So we had this trouble with one other one.
yeah, probably you'll have to sit it on this dresser area and then just put it down as you travel.
Plug-ins, your cable hookups, and USB.
Yes, because if you mount it up there, your closet door is going to hit
It's going
it.
to be in the way.
So, yes. All right.
Wow.
Yeah. Here we go.
And they got plenty of lights in here.
Lots of lights.
All right, everybody. If you like this lacrosse travel trailer, bunkhouse travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us a thumbs up, and share. Thanks, everybody.